welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off or on birthday notifications on Viber. First thing you need to do is open up your Viber app and tap on the more icon. Now, when you were opening your Viber, you were asked to put in your birthday, and you did. But now it automatically Viber turns that notification option on for you to get notified on your birthday. So if you want to turn it off, what you do is, like I said, tap on the more icon, tap on settings, then tap on notifications, and you can see get birthday notifications. That means you receive birthday notifications on your phone's notification bar. If you do not want this, simply turn it off. It's as simple as that. You can also see show birthday reminders, which means save reminders on chat list and inside one-on-one chat. If you don't want it turn it off. It is as simple as that. So do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.